Hello, it's no longer news that everything is going digital, and machine learning is one of the digital skills in high demand. Hi, my name is Joy, and in this video we'll be talking about how you can build a successful career in machine learning. Machine learning involves using algorithms and statistical models to allow computers learn and make decisions without being explicitly programmed. You might be wondering why you should build a career in machine learning. Worry not, that's why I'm here. Machine learning is one digital skill in high demand. That is, there is high demand for machine learning professionals. Companies in a wide range of industries are looking to hire machine learning experts to help them solve complex problems and make better decisions. The demand for skilled machine learning professionals is only expected to increase in the coming years, making it a great digital skill you should learn right now. As a machine learning professional, you start to earn a competitive salary over your peers. You also get the opportunity to work on exciting projects. That is, you get to make a real-life impact on the world. Machine learning is a rapidly evolving digital skill, which means that there's always something new for you to learn and discover as a machine learning expert. There is also a high demand for skilled professionals when it comes to designing and implementing machine learning systems. The demand for machine learning professionals continues to grow, and more companies adopt artificial intelligence and data-driven decision making. That is why you need to learn this digital skill to become a professional artist. A career in machine learning may be a perfect field for you if you want to make a positive impact on the world, and will also improve a high chance of you getting employed. You want to learn this digital skill, you want to be a professional when it comes to machine learning and be very good at it, then you should consider enrolling in a school that adopts the method of practical hands-on training. That is, they offer you more of practicals and less of theories. A training school that incorporates project-based learning. That is, you get to build a real-life project as a way of testing your competence. Another important thing you should consider is a training school where a trainer will be assigned to you for mentoring and coaching during your training. Bizmaro Technologies is one of the training schools that offers all of the above mentioned criteria. When you register with us here at Bizmaro Technologies, we offer practical hands-on training. A trainer will be assigned to you for mentoring and coaching, and you get to build a real-life project before you graduate. Isn't this interesting? You want to get a certified career in machine learning? Visit our website to learn more and register for this digital skill. Machine learning is one of the digital skills in high demand. You can also call or WhatsApp the numbers on your screen for more information. Stay up to date with technology, for the world of technology continues to evolve. Till I come your way again, I remain Joy, your girl. Learn digital skills in high demand, for we are in a digital economy.